Welcome to a tutorial on how to assemble an HP PageWide E77650 LaserJet printer. Here you will learn how to properly build the printer with a paper tray and a card reader accessory. Begin with unpacking the printer unit. Taped to the side of the printer, you will find the carton for the ink cartridges and also a power cable. Remove the blue packaging tape and the plastic film. Make sure to check inside the paper trays for any packaging tape or packing material. Once the printer unit has been unpacked, begin unpacking the paper tray unit. These parts are optional and are not required to assemble the printer. For the next step, you would need to remove the paper tray from the printer unit. With the help of another technician, lift the printer unit onto the paper tray. Don't try lifting it on your own. Secure the two units using these two lock buttons. There is one on each side of the printer. This step is for adding a card reader to the printer. If the printer you are working on does not require one, you can skip this step. Unpack the card reader. In the package you will find 3 USB cables. Choose the one that's shown here. Using a flathead screwdriver, very carefully pry open this hatch. Be careful not to dent the printer. Underneath the lid you will find a mini USB jack. Connect the card reader on this jack. Place the card reader as shown here in the video. Before powering the printer, make sure all safety pins have been removed. All these safety pins are colored orange, making it easier for you to identify which parts must be removed before powering the printer. Powering up the printer without removing these safety pins could potentially damage the printer. Powering on the printer for the first time could take a few minutes. Do not turn the printer off during this time. Go through the first time setup. Here you will choose language, location, date and time, as well as the date and time format. You've successfully built an E77650 HP printer.